Hey guys, so today we have the FabFitFun box for summer 2019. So let's get into it and see what's in here. Okay guys, so the first thing in the box looks like it's from Sol de Janeiro, and this is the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. So I think this is supposed to smell just like the Bum Bum Cream, which looks like it's also in here. I love this cream. It smells amazing. And it looks like these two both come together in a set that retails for $45. Next thing in here looks like it's from Grace and Stella, and this is the Spray All Day Rose Spray, and this is the Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. So this is, I'm guessing, like rose water spray. I have one of these that I've gotten a while ago and I do really like it. They have one from Mario Badescu, so I wonder if it's like that. But let's see how much this retails for. This retails for $25.95, and yeah, it seems to be just like the Mario Badescu one, just like a whenever you want to feel more hydrated kind of spray, not necessarily for like setting makeup or anything, but I really like the Mario Badescu one, so I'm excited to try this one and see if it's really good too. So the next thing in here is from Whish, and this is the Exfoliating Foot Mask. And this retails for $32, so basically just like a scrub, I'm guessing. I don't really have dry feet, but I will definitely try this out and see how I like it. Next thing in here is from Jennifer Zeuner Jewelry, something like that. And this retails for $50, so must be nice. Okay, so this is like a necklace with two little stars on it. Alright, so I went ahead and put on the necklace. Here's how it looks. It's just like little dainty stars. It looks really pretty. So I'm not sure exactly what metal this necklace is made out of. It doesn't say anywhere, so I don't know. But the next thing in here is from Generation Clay. This is the Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So this retails for $39, and it's supposed to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. So definitely something I would use. Okay, and next in here is something from 111 Skin or 111 Skin, I don't know. But these are the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks. So I think this is just like a pack of 5 sheet masks. And these retail for $160. So that's some bougie ass masks if you ask me. Next thing in here is from Coola, and this is the Makeup Setting Spray. Ooh, I love this setting spray. I've gotten a sample of this in my Sephora Play, I believe, at some point. But this is like a setting spray that has sunscreen in it, so you can actually reapply it throughout the day, which is kind of hard to do with regular sunscreens on your face. So I really, really do like this one. And the full size of this retails for something $36. Next thing in here is Invisibobbles. I have not tried these. Ooh, that's nice, nice. So these retail for $16, and it's a pack of 6. So these are just supposed to be like those phone cord looking hair ties that don't leave dents in your hair, so I'm really excited to try these. And it looks like the last thing in here is the Mystery Choice product. This is a Skin&Co Truffle Therapy Cleansing Oil. So you can see how it's like separated right there. So I'm not sure how much this retails for because it was a mystery choice, but I will put it up on the screen so you can see. So I do really like cleansing oils. I either use a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil like every day when I'm removing my makeup, and then I go in with my micellar water afterwards. So I definitely will use this, and I mean, it looks oily, so I'm sure it'll work. Alright guys, so I went ahead and added everything up, and the total of this season's box is $433.95. So pretty up there. I feel like the 5-pack sheet masks for $160 definitely played a huge role in that. So those sheet masks better make me look like I have baby skin. You know, for that much money, they better do that. So let me know what you guys got in your FabFitFun boxes for summer, and if you've tried those sheet masks, because that's super bougie. And I will see you in the next video.